Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Hisense U963. In the box you will find your mobile guarantee, quick start guide, charger, and then bigger headsets. The U963 velvet design that weighs 165 grams comes in blue, black and red. On the right hand side of the phone we have the volume rocker and power button. On top we have its charging unit with a 3.5mm jack where you can plug in your headsets. And then at the back we have the 5 megapixel camera, the flash single led and its speaker. On the front we have the front flash and 2 megapixel selfie camera. Removing the back cover you see the battery of 2000 mAh, the 2 SIM card slots and the slot for the micro SD that's compatible for up to 128 gigabytes. If you don't mind the 5-inch display that exudes 16.7 million colors, with a resolution of 480 by 854, you will enjoy a modest usage of social media and YouTube videos. The storage of this device is 16 gigabytes with 1 gigabyte of RAM. The OS is Android 10 Go edition, which means it can go into dark mode and extend battery life. What surprised me the most about this phone is that it can use finger scan and facial recognition to unlock your device. All in all, the phone looks good, durable and okay for socials like WhatsApp and Facebook. Otherwise, below par for gaming and more advanced applications. Now let's look at picture quality. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one.